Where are my students? Late as usual. I'm starting to get the feeling that no one likes physics. They always come late. I would have started the lesson by now. Oh, good morning.
Sorry for being late, sir.
You're the only one that came so far. Where is the rest?
Well, I don't know.
Just look at the time. Look how late you are. But whatever, I'll do the register. Amy?
Not here, sir.
Of course she's not here. No one is here. Why would they? No one likes the subject. But whatever. Jane?
Here, sir.
What's the point of even doing this register? Just please tell me, why is no one here?
Okay, I'll tell the truth. Everyone said that physics is boring and they decided not to come and they ran out of school.
Okay. I'll have to ring their parents after this lesson, but whatever, let's just get on with the lesson. Today we're going to talk about why our planet harbors life, something that everyone would like to know. First of all, life needs a lot of time to evolve, and luckily our sun has made it possible due to its so far long life. And also, things haven't gone in the way of evolution, such as a supernova, an exploding star. But let's say a supernova was in range of Earth, then the effects would be devastating.
How devastating exactly, sir?
Well, if a supernova was at least 30 light years away, it could cause massive extinctions due to the X-rays and more energetic gamma rays which it releases. These would destroy the ozone layer that protects us from the sun's ultraviolet rays, and it could also ionize nitrogen and oxygen in the atmosphere, leading to the formation of large amounts of smog. Another reason on why life has developed on Earth was thanks to our sun. Our planet is in what is called a Goldilocks zone, where the planet is neither too close nor too far from the sun, and therefore has a stable temperature. Planets like Venus are way too close to the sun and therefore are too hot for us to thrive. Whereas Pluto, for example, is way too far away for any life to be able to evolve. Thanks to this, our planet's stable temperature helped life thrive and evolve. But it has to be mentioned that Earth's atmosphere also influences this ability to harbor life. The sun also gives us vital vitamins through its sun rays, but we are protected from the sun's rays through the atmosphere, which we'll talk about a little bit later.
Wow, sir, I didn't know that the sun was this important. I thought it was just to give us nice and hot weather.
Well then, you learn something new every day, don't you? But it isn't the only thing that helped us in space. The moon also plays a role in helping life reach the state it is at now. The moon controls the tides and helps life migrate and move. For example, sea creatures were able to move and migrate to different continents, therefore spreading life around the world. It also stabilizes the tides and stops the oceans from going crazy. The moon also keeps the Earth in a stable rotation thanks to its gravitational pull. But now, let's move on to Earth's special features down below. On Earth, we have many things which allow life to thrive and survive. Here on this little island, we have examples of some of the factors. One of the most common factors is water, probably the most important one as well. Water is a great solvent able to dissolve many substances. It also floats when frozen, unlike many other liquids, meaning that it can stop the deeper parts of water from freezing over. This would help important chemical reactions to take place and therefore create life. When looking for life on other worlds, water is usually... The second factor is flora, otherwise known as plants. Plants appear on land and under the sea, and they produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, which makes our life possible. As you all know, to survive we need oxygen as it creates chemical reactions which keep our bodies functioning. Besides, plants are also an essential resource for human health, and therefore help us survive. Another thing that we can see on the island is the atmosphere. The atmosphere is essential for life. It blocks some of the sun's dangerous rays from reaching Earth and wiping out life or hurting it. It also traps heat, making Earth a comfortable temperature. Also, the oxygen is stored underneath our atmosphere, which we need to breathe. Plate tectonics is another factor that we can see on the island. Plate tectonics are huge plates which cover up and surround our Earth. Sometimes they move about, causing earthquakes, but that's not the only thing that they do. Carbon dioxide is an important gas to keep heat inside our atmosphere, although after time carbon dioxide gets stored in rocks. The plate tectonics help ensure that over time the rock gets dragged downwards where it melts, and this molten rock eventually releases the carbon dioxide gas back into the atmosphere through volcanoes. That's it for today, but remember what to look for in the planet, because maybe one day you could be a scientist who will discover one of these worlds. NASA just discovered all of the planets around TRAPPIST-1, and all of them seem to have water. And maybe even 3 of them could be habitable. And it's not even that far compared to the other planets that we've found.
Yes, sir. This is very interesting. Maybe I'll try and get the rest of the class back as well.
I'm glad to hear that. Now hurry, otherwise you'll be late to your last lesson.